Alright, so we have another video today. All of this is old. This was done approximately 2 months ago. I've just been kind of procrastinating. I've been lazy. I haven't really felt the urge to really upload any of this. But I'm getting back into it. I've got a bunch of videos that I'm going to be putting out soon. But here we are, test fitting the air filter, trying to figure out the best way to get this thing to fit. This is with the new turbo install, which you'll see in a little bit. I didn't really like how everything was going. I tried making a couple of my ideas work, but just the fitment of everything it wasn't how I wanted, and I couldn't really make it work with what I had and what I wanted to do. But here we have it,
baby. I love waking up late. Trying to get up early this morning. Didn't happen, but here we are. Riff-raff diesel parts, baby. So, realized yesterday I got the wrong turbo. So, they were actually really good with their support team. I'm definitely impressed with the quality of stuff that they provide. Right here, look at this new pedestal. Oh yeah. Let me get out the other one. Show you. Doing a few really not really necessary, but definitely optional mods to this thing. And you can see the difference between the two. I have this valve right here, old, leaky, oil everywhere. Nice and clean. Oh yeah, baby. So we're gonna get this put on. What's in this one? Find out. Fragile. Oh, fuck you. I hate these damn things. Like, put it on the side. Oh, stupid ass fucking things. Ooh. Yes. KC turbos, boy. Alright. Yep, and it comes with the O-rings. Everything does look good. Looks like the right size. Let's pull it off and see it. Yeah, boy.
Alright, so as you can see, here's the new turbo. I'm comparing it to the stock turbo, just kind of admiring it, really liking how it looks. While I'm going through this time lapse, if you guys mind, I noticed that there was a bunch of dislikes on the Project Trucks intro, just kind of showing you guys what I'm going to be working with. If you guys can, if you don't like the video, just kind of comment down below, leave some constructive criticism, so that way I can make this better and you guys can actually enjoy it, because that's kind of why I'm doing this.
Oh, that was a pain in the fucking ass.